Why affiliate marketing as a home business? The real answer. Welcome to my video. Hello, my name is Bill Morrow and I have been searching online for about 9 years looking for the real answer to that question. Now, because you're on this video, you are also searching for a similar answer. Whether it be affiliate marketing, making a business online, or all of these things, a combination of the whole lot, you have arrived at the correct place. I have found the answer. After all this time, checking around, digging around, wasting money, wasting time, I have eventually found the correct system. And this is what I want to explain to you now. The system itself is straightforward. It's done in video format so that you get a whole series of videos in sequence so that you watch an individual video and then you do the process that the video tells you, a little section, and then you move on to the next video. And by doing this, by the time you have finished the course, you have also built a business. Wow! Just imagine that. And it's not such a thing, there is no such thing as a business in a box. Yes, you can see them advertised, you can see them out there, all the fancy names and so forth, but the majority will last for about a week or so and then poof, it's gone. In this system, you're taught how to set up every part of the system. It goes into detail how to set it up, because remember what you're talking about now. You're talking about a business that you're running from home. And in this climate, this is the perfect time to set up a business from home. We have the problem of lockdown and everything else that's going on. And if you're in my situation, an old beggar who doesn't do a lot outside now, this is the perfect situation that I found. I've run businesses in all situations. I've run a shop where you start and take about 18 months to get the thing running into a profit. I've then done repairs, set up electronic businesses and so forth, all of these things. But eventually I came down to now, and I've got the perfect business, because virtually the business runs on its own. Once it's been set up, there's so much automation in it because you have set it up in this style, as per the instructions. So everything, people come into your system, they move through the system, and all you've got to do is to keep checking every so often that everything is running correctly. And this is all covered in the detail of the process that you will follow. All you need is to work a business is a system, a computer, and you with the correct attitude and the correct will to do the work. That's all it is. Otherwise, if you have the first two, you don't have a business. You simply have an idea. And a business doesn't work on ideas. A business works on process. It works on action. And that's it. Now, don't let me put you off, but the fact is, you should know that a working business means you put in the effort, you get out the return. And that is the same no matter where your business is, on the main street, high street, back street, wherever it might be, at home, upstairs, downstairs, all the same. Put the effort in, you will get the returns out. And that's it. And this is all explained to you to have the right mental attitude, the right thoughts about the whole thing, how a business should and will be run. That's exactly what I'm telling you now. So what I want you to do is come down into the link below. You'll find the link in the information below, and all you got to do is click on the link, join my mailing list, and from there I will send you 4 emails with a lot more information all about the system. I'll give you all the information free, all about the system. And then it's entirely up to you, when you see the benefits of everything, how and when you will join me. But that's what it's all about. This is the perfect system. No hassle, nothing at all. But you have found the correct place. So all I do, my friend, now is I will follow you, and because of your emails, I will then follow you and make sure you have all the details that you need. I will help you every way I can to make sure you succeed in your goal to set the system up. Talk to you later. Bye for now.